How to see last online status of a user on Roblox. Let's get started. Launch your Roblox app, or also you can open your Roblox account in the web version. After you open it, you will land to this kind of page. Now you can go ahead and search for the person whose online status you want to check. Just type in the username of that person and then head towards the profile of that person. You will find different options, but you won't find the option to check the online status. So what you can do is open a new tab. Now type in Chrome Web Store and then search for it. Now click on this website option, Chrome Web Store. Now over here you will find the search box, type in BT Roblox and then search for it. With that, this extension will appear. Now you have to click on it and add this extension to the Chrome. Click on Add to Chrome, then click on Add Extension. After this extension has been added to your Chrome, now you can head towards the Roblox tab. Now click on this icon, reload this page. Once you reload your Roblox page, you will be good to go. Now you will find the option of online status in the profile of the person whose status you want to check. Well, this way you can easily check the online status of a user on Roblox. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.